Alright guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add a user or a group of users to your GA4. So let's get down to it. Alright guys, to add a user or a group of users to your GA4, you want to go to your GA4 account here, then choose your website right here. So you want to go to admin down here. You want to click admin and go to property access management. So you want to add a user, you go up here on the right side. So here you can add users. You can also add group of users here. So let's say I want to add a user to this account here. Before you add a user, you need to know the email address of that person. So let's say I want to add this email address here. So you want to scroll down here and choose the role of this user. You can choose if you want it to take to be the administrator of the website, if you want it to be an editor on the website, if you want it to be the marketer, if you want it to be analyst. So I want this guy here to only view the performance of the website for me. So I'm just going to leave it as a viewer. So if I leave it as a viewer, you can only see the report, data and configuration setting of the property here. However, if I set it as administrator, you can take full control of the property. If I add him as editor, that means you can edit all the data and settings for the property here, but cannot manage users here. So if I add him as marketer, you can edit audience, conversation, you can add attributes, models, look back, windows, and events on the property, including analyst role, GA4 only. So as analyst, you can create and edit share assets like dashboard and annotation for property, including views and rows. So as a viewer can only see the report data and configuration. So I'm just going to leave the guy as a viewer. Yeah. So after that, you don't need to do anything right here. So let's go ahead and add. So click there. And it is done. So this guy now can view the performance of the website.